Assalamu alaikum. Hello, this is Navin Bhardwaj. I'm the Director of Marketing and Strategic Partnerships at Spire Solutions, one of the gold sponsors for LEAP. Most welcome. We have two main focus areas. On one side, cybersecurity. So we are solving regional cybersecurity challenges and problems without creating any new problems. We have a portfolio of more than 15 niche cybersecurity technologies, solutions and services. But at LEAP this year, we're primarily focusing on quantum encryption, quantum key distribution, quantum random number generation, software integrity, IT operations management, to name a few, on the cybersecurity side. And on the other side, our business is also focused heavily on big data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and basically helping customers with the 360 aspect of their data management, for which we have a bespoke business called Spire Data, who are showcasing their offering here, along with one of our partners, Snowflake, who provide a cloud data platform. If you think about it, the whole world is moving towards digitization. We're talking about smart cities, smart nations, digital transformation, connected cities, connected humans. So the role of technology in our lives today has become so much more than it was in the past. And for the next 5, 10, 15, 20 years down the lane, we will be embracing technologies even faster and a lot more of them. Now this begs a couple of questions. Number one, what about security? If we are so dependent on technology, shouldn't we then also proactively focus on security? And on the other hand, number two, all these will also create tons and tons of data, huge volumes of data. What can we do with that data? How can we make the best use of that data to increase and enhance the experience of humans? To make them feel like they're getting what they need? To make companies focus on people based on their interests and preferences, as opposed to proposing or selling things that they shouldn't be. So if you think about it, there's a humanitarian aspect all across, because there will come a point in time where majority of people in this planet are tech savvy and tech dependent. So by providing security, by ensuring their data is private through the help of privacy, by also ensuring that their data is profiled and they're being provided only what makes the most sense for them, I think, and this is my personal opinion, we are touching upon the aspect of humanity. And with this, of course, with security, with data, you can also solve many of the current world's challenges, such as poverty, unemployment, equality amongst women. You could also eradicate issues such as trafficking, right? Reduce terrorism. So a lot can be done with the help of technology, security, and data. So we are proud to be playing a small role in these aspects. Fantastic. That's one single word to explain LEAP. To be very honest, we had a lot of skepticism. We all had our doubts, and I'm pretty sure that you guys have had your doubts as well as to how this all might turn out. But for a debut tech event to be so well organized, to have so many different brands, to have the quantity and the quality of participants, to have several senior dignitaries, and people coming and having qualified discussions, I believe is amazing. So we're happy that we made this choice of coming to LEAP. We're happy with the type of people that we've met with so far, and we look forward to having interesting conversations that leads to meaningful relationships, partnerships, and of course business. Absolutely important and necessary, because Saudi Arabia, being one of the largest countries in the region and one of the countries that spends perhaps more than 50% of Middle East and Africa's technology and security spending, did not have its own large platform. So LEAP is filling that gap, but not just filling that gap. LEAP is also reassuring the world that the kingdom is truly ready for its digital transformation, and the kingdom is truly on track for its Vision 2030 achievement. So LEAP is absolutely necessary and critical for the kingdom to showcase itself to the world and be on par on the technology platform.